Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is my sixth video in my 30-day challenge. The 30-day challenge is where you make a video and a blog post on a specific topic every day for 30 days. And this topic is on affiliate marketing, and this is my sixth video. And this video is on affiliate marketing with physical products. Now, these videos that I'm going to show you are rehashed videos that I'd already done. But anyway, you can get access to the blog post down below this video. If you haven't watched any of the other videos leading up to this one, I do recommend that you go back and watch the first video up to this point. They do start out pretty short, and then they get longer and longer and longer and longer. So anyway, let's go in and watch that video, and then I'll be back. Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and this is video 6 in my training series on affiliate marketing. And in this section, we're going to concentrate on physical products or e-commerce. Okay, in this section, we're going to talk about physical products or e-commerce. And I've added another network in here that I didn't think about earlier. And it's very similar to Amazon. It's called eBay EPN Network. And we also know that we have Amazon. We also know we have shareasale.com. And we have linkshare.com. Okay. In eBay.com, EPN network, and Amazon.com, you will have to apply to join, but you do not have to apply to promote the product. Okay, in shareasale.com and linkshare.com, you will have to apply to join the program and will have to apply to promote the individual products with the vendor. So, quick and dirty, eBay.com, EPN Network, and Amazon.com, you only have to apply to promote with the individual network, eBay and Amazon, to promote the products. With ShareASale and LinkShare, and there are others, you will have to apply to join the program and will have to apply to promote the product with the vendor. So anyway, that's it for this slide. Now we're going to move on into the next slide. Okay, in this slide, we're going to talk about the cookie life and the commission structures for the different networks. And we know that we have physical products or e-commerce. And we have eBay.com or EPN network. That's what it's called. It's the eBay EPN network is what it's called. And then you got Amazon.com. And then you got ShareASale.com. And you got linkshare.com. Okay, those are the networks. Now the differences. And eBay.com and Amazon.com, they're very similar. There are some differences, and I'm not going to get into those right now. But anyway, the basic rule of thumb is a wide range of categories, a short cookie life, short tracking cookie life, and smaller commissions from 1% to 10% max. Average is about 3%. That's the average commission. That's just a basic rule of thumb.
And then for ShareASale.com and LinkShare.com, and there are other networks. I don't have them on here, but we're just going to use these as a training tool. You have a wide range of products to promote, a longer cookie life, 15 to 30 days, bigger commissions from 3% to 15%. That's just a basic rule of thumb. There are exceptions to the rules. Some products in these, or some vendors in these different networks, will pay you a flat fee. Okay? Okay. There's advantages and disadvantages to both of them. And ShareASale.com and LinkShare.com, you have to apply for the individual networks. And you may get disapproved. It's more like this. Let's just say you're into golf or fishing or bowling or something like that, and you want to apply to promote a golf product. You have to apply for that network. You may get declined. But if you do get approved, their commission structure and their cookie life is higher and it lasts longer than like Amazon or eBay. Okay? But Amazon and eBay, you only have to apply for the network, and then you can promote all the golf or fishing or bowling or whatever products in the whole network. All you have to do is apply once, and then you're in and you can promote anything, okay? But the commissions are smaller, and they average about 3%. And there's only a couple areas where it pays 10%. And I'm not going to get into that right now. The cookie life is small. That makes a big difference. But you have the advantage to be able to promote anything in the network. So anyway, there's advantages and then disadvantages to both. You also have the brand awareness behind eBay and Amazon because people know them, they trust them. It's a household name. Where some of these others, they're not. Okay? So anyway, the basic differences is in these networks here, you got a wide range of products to promote, a longer cookie life, 15 to 30 days, bigger commissions, 3% to 15%. Some places pay a flat fee. Wide range of categories, short tracking cookie life, smaller commissions, 1% to 10% max. Average is about 3%. That's in eBay and Amazon. So anyway, that's the basics behind the commission structure and the cookie life. So now we'll move on into the next slide. Okay, in this slide, I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned, and it helps you get a little bit bigger commissions out of e-commerce products or physical products. And basically, you go to Amazon and you put in best dog training crates or best whatever your niche is, best golf clubs or whatever. And what you're looking for, because it depends on your niche, is you're looking for this section over here on the side. And the basic rule of thumb is you pick something from $100 to $200. Now, some people, they won't do it for over $200, but I do it for at least $100. And then you pick the category where it says 4 stars and up. So you want to have at least 4 stars. So we got products here over $100 with over a 4-star rating. And I try to ignore these sponsored ones. That's a sponsored one, but this one isn't. And basically what you're looking for is you're looking for products that are over $100 that have a lot of customer reviews and have over a 4-star rating. So this product right here, it has a 5-star rating. It has 8,788 customer reviews. That means people are buying the product, and it's over $100. So that's a good product to promote because people are buying it, okay? You can promote any of these. It's just the ones that only have 1 or 2 or 5 or whatever customer reviews. Not a whole lot of people are buying it. And anyway, that's just a basic rule of thumb that I use. And it works for all the networks except for you have to go to Amazon, go to your niche, whatever it is, best of golf clubs, best fishing, whatever, and use this basic metric. And then you can use this on all the networks. You just go to Amazon to find out the products. Then you go into your share sale or link share or eBay, and you search for that product, and then you can promote it there. You can get your affiliate link from there, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But anyway, I'll go back to the sketch here. Anyway, so physical products. We have physical products. And the trick for all these is to get bigger commissions is to go to Amazon and pick a product over $100 to $250 with at least a 4-star rating, with a lot of reviews that shows people are buying the product. If I can get that over there. Okay, that's just a little trick that I learned. That's it for this section.
Okay, that was my video on affiliate marketing with physical products. There again, if you haven't watched any of the other videos, I recommend that you go back and watch them. You can also get access to the blog post down below this video or around this video, depending on where you're seeing this at. It's on my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, and I got a LinkedIn channel. So anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.